Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic and magical day. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about why law of attraction might not be working for you. And before you start this video, maybe check out my video before this. And I guess just basically gave my general explanation of law of attraction. That's just super easy to understand. And I like easy. I think everyone loves easy. Easy and simple is the trick. When you always kind of overcomplicate everything, I think that's when you go wrong. Anything in life, it's just like, as humans, we like to always overcomplicate things because we want to be able to, because we think or believe that if we have to try really hard to get the thing that we want, but that's not necessarily the case. We can actually, do it the simple way and we can get the results that we want. It's just that we think that we have to overcomplicate things. So yeah, I talked about generally what law of attraction means to me, and make sure to check that out. So in this video, I'm going to talk quickly about why law of attraction might not be working for you. But before we get into that video, I just want to let you know that I'm talking about law of attraction based on my personal experience, and I'm just giving you my general tips and tricks and advice that's worked for me. Anyone can go about LOA or law of attraction the way that they want, and as long as it's working for you, you're good, you're happy, and that's what counts. And so take my tips and advice with a grain of salt and as entertainment purposes, and maybe try it out. I really hope that obviously these tips really work because they work for me. So and I'm able to get what I want in life, and I know I'm on this awesome, amazing journey, and I'm with the universe. So, and I'm very, very happy and very grateful for the life I have right now, at the moment. And so I'm just sharing you guys my tips because I want, because I know that I have lots of friends and they're like, how do you get what you want? I don't understand. And or I had coworkers and stuff, and I was able to guide them, and so I just give you my wisdom, and so I just really hope it works out for you. And yeah, also just want to say that I'm outside on my patio. I'm just moved into a new place, and I've manifested, a bigger space, a bigger room, and a bigger house. And I live with my brothers and stuff, and so that's great. And I'm on this wonderful patio, and it's beautiful outside, and I'm so grateful. It feels like summer. It's like 24 degrees outside, which is amazing. So summer's literally around the corner, and I'm really, really happy with that. And yeah, so if you hear any noises and stuff, I'm filming on my phone. I'm near a busy street, unfortunately, and it's slightly windy outside, so apologies on that, but I feel like y'all don't really care about that anyways. I think I always overthink about everything too much. But anyway, so today's video, I'm talking about why law of attraction may not be working for you. And I think law of attraction might not be working for you is because I think a lot of people, or the majority of people, maybe been raised to kind of see scarcity, lack, or limitations in life, and they somehow impose those limitations or lack or scarcity on themselves. And when you do that, you lower your vibrations and your energy level, and then to get what you want, it's not an energetic match because your energy levels go on a scale, and I'll leave a little picture up here. And so the more positive you feel, the more higher vibration you are, and the more negative energy you feel, the lower your vibration is. So if you're down here and your stuff you want to manifest is up here, it's really hard to get up here. So you have to kind of slowly raise your vibration to get up here to be an energetic match to your manifestation in order for the universe to deliver that to you. And I think that's very, very important. So, I think the other reason why people don't necessarily believe in law of attraction is because they just, like I said, they don't believe in law of attraction. They can't physically and tangibly see the creation behind what they're thinking. And I don't necessarily blame them for not necessarily believing it sometimes because we can't physically see it. And as humans, we tend to not believe something unless we see it with our own eyes. But it does really, really happen. You do really create the thoughts like the thoughts you think create your reality. And so paying attention to your thoughts and the emotions you have behind those thoughts really determine what you're going to be manifesting in your life. And so a manifestation can be interpreted, or you can manifest bad things or good things. Obviously, we don't want to manifest bad things. Why would we want bad things to happen to us? But I think it's the reason maybe why bad things might be happening is because you have a negative emotion, and you're feeling very negative, and you're thinking of negative thoughts, and that kind of has the negative momentum to deliver other negative things that are happening and occurring in your life. And so we have to be consciously aware of the thoughts that we tell ourselves, because and it's very, very important, because when we're consciously aware, we're able to think about the thoughts we have and get rid of the thoughts that don't serve us, and then focus on the thoughts that do serve us really well. Because the thoughts that we continuously think about and we give emotion to, the universe is going to deliver that to us. So we don't really pay attention to negative things, and you can't necessarily avoid negativity all the time, but I think it's just you're not paying attention to the emphasis. Or say you have a person that's like, or a coworker who's very, very negative, you can kind of say, you know what, I'm sorry, I really don't want to listen to your negativity. Or you can brighten up their day, or avoid them. I avoid these people like the plague sometimes. It's just like, you can't change these people, and so you have to kind of avoid these people, honestly. But to make LOA work for you is to think positive thoughts that are going to serve you well, and don't think about the thoughts that don't serve you well, because and the thing is, the thoughts that serve you well, that's going to raise your vibration. And I actually will do that in part 3 of this video, is raising your vibrations, because that is another concept that I hear a lot on YouTube and stuff, and I think people maybe overcomplicate it. And I'm a firm believer that a law of attraction should just be simple and easy to do. And like I said in the beginning of this video, that people like to tend to overcomplicate law of attraction, and it's not meant to be complicated. And like I said before, that people like to overcomplicate it, and they want to work really hard to get what they want. That's what they believe to be true, but that's not the case. It's feeling good all the time, and having positive thoughts, and taking action on things that you want to manifest. And so when you understand law of attraction, and as being super easy and actually very fun, because you're able to control and create the reality that you want to live in your life, and you're consciously aware of the thoughts you think of, you're able to manifest anything you want. There is definitely a buffer between the thoughts you think and when it happens. Sorry, there's a ambulance outside. So there's definitely a buffer of time between the thought that you think about for your manifestation and then when it's actually delivered, because there's you have to take action and to be an energetic match. But when you know the law and how law of attraction really works, you're able to accomplish anything you want. So like I said, in summary, I like to talk a lot, and love talking to you guys so much. But why law of attraction may not be working for you is because you may have placed limitations on yourselves, or the thoughts you think about don't necessarily align with what you want. Because maybe you're thinking more negatively, and so you have a low negative energy, and you have to have a more positive energy, which is having higher energy. So you have to kind of raise your vibration to have an energetic match to your manifestation in order for the universe to deliver that particular manifestation for you. And so when you don't see lack or limitation, you're good. Also, I think that people tend to not believe law of attraction because they can't physically see it in their own eyes, and it's not tangible to them. Because when we create something in our mind and visualize it, it's very intangible. We can see it in our imagination, but it's not right there currently. It may take some time for it to appear, but it will come in time. But a lot of people, they're maybe be impatient because they want that money right now in the bank, or they want a lover in their life, or on going on a vacation, or this car, or this job, and they can be kind of really impatient. But having that impatiency, being impatient about that manifestation, is actually telling, it's more of a lack. And when there's a lack, you feel negative, and then you're negative, feeling negative energy. There's no way the universe is going to be able to serve that to you. So yeah, that just wraps up this really quick video about why law of attraction may not be working for you. I really hope this video is very gives you valuable information, and I'm just telling law of attraction and teaching law of attraction based on my personal experience and my tips and advice that have worked for myself. And I'm still manifesting a lot of different things, but it does really work, and you just have to give it time. And yeah, I'll see everyone in the next video, where I talk about how you can raise your vibrations, which is one of my favorite topics to talk about in law of attraction. And I'll see everyone in the next video. Have a wonderful and magical day, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Peace out. Bye.